In this video, we're going to convert our CineBack for the ZR into a top adapter plate that allows us to use the TASCAM XLR audio adapter, along with giving us a shorter cheese plate to mount top handles and other equipment while not blocking that hot shoe and allowing us to use the adapter. So let's go ahead and dive in on how to convert CineBack from a standard setup with the large cheese plate on top to this shorter back cheese plate, allowing us to use the audio adapter. To get your CineBack ready for the XLR audio unit, first install the camera and your cage following the instructions that came along with CineBack. Next, we're going to remove this top plate here. So I've already removed the two screws that go into the top of the camera cage. Now I'm going to remove these three screws here, and I'm also going to remove these two Phillips head screws here, and we're going to reuse those in a second. With those screws removed or loosened, and we've removed our two rear screws, we can take the entire top cheese plate and set it aside. Next, take the adapter plate that comes with the kit to upgrade to the XLR unit, and we're going to install it right here, lining these three holes up with these 3/4 20 taps like that, and it's keyed so it'll lock in place. From there, take one of your 3/8 1/4 20 socket screws that you removed from that cheese plate, and we're going to install it in the front center point of this adapter plate. With that installed, we can take our cheese plate that comes with the kit, and we're going to align it so that these vertical slots are toward the back and these horizontal slots are toward the front or the camera side. And we're just going to line it up right here, and you can see that we can line up these two mounting points and these two mounting points on CineBack, and we're going to take the two longer socket screws that come with the XLR adapter plate. These are 3/4 inch long socket screws. We're going to stick them in here and tighten them down into CineBack. Next, we'll take those two flat head pan head screws that we removed from the very rear of CineBack, and we're going to reinstall them here and here, being sure not to over tighten. And with that installed, the cheese plate and adapter plate conversion is complete, and we can go ahead and take our XLR audio unit, and I'll install it on the camera, tighten it down in place, and now we have a way to get XLR audio into our camera, and we don't have that plate covering the top. We also now have a cheese plate back here that we can use for all kinds of different accessories or top handles. If you want to go back to the full length cheese plate across the top, simply reverse these steps. Remove these 4 screws, remove the plate and the adapter plate, and then add that larger cheese plate, and you're back in business. So that's going to wrap up this video on how to install this adapter kit for use with XLR audio units on the Nikon ZR. Check Camera Foundry for more accessories for your camera, and thank you guys so much for watching.